Oh my God, look at this hair growth. Look at this hair growth that she has had since she's been using our hair growth butter. Oh my goodness.
Nana, your hair show is growing.
Yeah, it's growing.
Previously hair is definitely growing.
Probably if it wasn't like as always, because I always put the butter around, you know.
So I had to start this video out with my client's hair growth. Yes, she has been using our hair growth butter for approximately 1 year now, and I am going to be posting some photos and some videos of her hair before she started using our hair growth butter so you can see her growth. Yes, our hair growth butter is the truth. Take a look at her before pictures. This is her hair before using G&G hair growth butter. And look at her hair now. And yes, as usual, I am starting off with my hair and scalp massage and moisturizer using our what? G&G. Yes, look at this hair growth butter. I love it. I love it. I love the way it smells. I love the way it leaves your hair feeling nice and soft and silky. Look how it melts just right into your scalp, giving your scalp all the nutrients it needs to promote hair growth. Yes, ladies, this is what we want to do. We want to moisturize our scalp as well as our hair. Look how I am moisturizing her hair as well. And look at that growth. Oh my gosh, this growth. This hair growth butter is the truth. Believe me. Get your order in today and start using it. Each order comes with some extra tips to do and to use along with the hair growth butter. Yes, every order includes the tips. And also a special free gift if you order a large. So yes, our prices are very affordable. Small jars are $10. And yes, welcome to West Coast Finest. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you do not miss any of our new videos. Yes, click the link below to visit our website and get your order in for our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, it is made with 100% all natural ingredients. And yes, it's me, your girl T, dropping another video. The foundation for my client who has come in today to get her a beautiful crochet style. So continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style is accomplished. I will be back to discuss in details each step that I am doing. So again, continue to watch. Yes, continue. So yes, ladies, today I am so excited to share this crochet method with you. This method or technique has been a game changer for adding volume and style to thin hair, and I'm so eager to show you how it works. I've tried a lot of different methods for adding volume to hair, but this one is by far the easiest and the most effective. It's perfect for anyone who wants to add some extra fullness to their hair without spending hours in the salon. As you can see, ladies, here I am doing what I call my twist method. Yes, ladies, my twist method, which is so effective for those who have thin hair and who have alopecia or hair loss. This reduces any pulling, tension, and stress on the hair, and that's what I want to do, ladies. I want to reduce as much tension and pulling on her natural hair as possible. You know, discovering the secret to achieving thicker, fuller hair with this easy crochet method is going to be so beneficial. If you're tired of dealing with thin hair, this video is just for you. Learn how to add volume, texture, and bounce to your hair using a simple and affordable crochet technique. Whether you're looking for a quick fix or a long-term solution, this easy method is for you. So again, this is the twist method that I am doing with her hair, and this is so effective. So if you have not tried it, give it a try, ladies and stylists. And yes, here it is, our silicone cap. Yes, I'm using this silicone cap today. It is anti-slip. Yes, it eliminates headaches. It is well ventilated. It is so beneficial to this style and to just using it. Look at this cap. It has so many benefits. Look at that silicone. It's a strip that goes around the entire perimeter. What does that silicone do? It helps this cap cling to your scalp. It clings to your forehead into the back of your head. Yes, it is very durable. I love the holes that are in this cap because it makes it very ventilated. Yes, ladies, we need to make sure that our hair is very ventilated and able to breathe underneath our protective hairstyles. And look how much net is left at the top. So yes, it fits all head sizes. So if you have that extra large head, yes, this cap will fit. I also have a technique or a tip that I'll show you if the cap or the band is a little too tight. The ultimate goal is to make sure that the cap is fitting comfortably. Yes, you want it to be so comfortable that you won't even know that it's on your head. So that's how we have to make it fit. I am going to customize it around her ears to make sure that it's very comfortable and fitting, very snug but not too tight around her ears and around her forehead and around the back side of her neck. So here I am doing the slits. Oh, actually I'm going to show you the silicone strip. Look at that strip. Look how that strip goes around the entire perimeter of the cap, and look how flat it lays. It gives you a really nice natural look, and that's what we want. Yes, we want our styles to look as natural as possible. We want people to never know that you have any hair loss, that your hair is thin, or that your hair is damaged underneath your protective style. So I'm going to start sewing right here, and again you're going to see me here sewing, and I am sewing above the band. Yes, above the band. I'm not sewing on the band. Why? Because again, I want that natural look. I want it to look as natural as possible. I want the hairline to look as natural as possible. So I am going to continue sewing, and you will see the technique and the method that I use to sew down this cap. Why am I sewing down this cap? Because I want to make sure that this cap is secure. I don't want it to move. I don't want it to shift. I don't want it to slide at all during this protective style that she is getting today. So the sewing down is to make sure that it's secure, and I am not going to be crocheting the hair to her hair, meaning I'm going to crochet the crochets to the net. When I get to that part, I'll show you exactly what I mean. So again, continue to keep watching and see the method of how I sew down this cap to make sure that it is secure so that it does not move, shift, or slide. So keep watching. See, right here I am crocheting on the net. I am not crocheting through her braids or on her natural hair. This is the purpose of the sewing the cap down, because now the cap is secure and I don't have to use her hair to secure the cap down, to keep the cap from moving. So again, here you will see that I'm attaching the crochet braids on the net. I did crochet on the band because I do not want the band to be shown. I want it to look as natural as possible, especially if she decides to kind of pull it up off her neck into a low ponytail or bring it up off her neck. I don't want that band to show, so that it will look more like her natural hair. So again, as you can see here, I'm only crocheting on the net, which relieves any tension, any stress, and any pressure or pulling on her natural hair. And I love, again, look how durable this net is. I am able to put that latch hook through, pull the crochets through with no problem. The net will not tear, will not rip. I won't have any holes in the net. I don't have to worry about any of that because this silicone cap is very durable, it's secure, it's stretchy. And I love it because it lasts the whole duration of the protective style. So again, when you are crocheting, just crochet to the net. Once you've sewn the net down, it should be secure enough. You should not have to crochet through the client's hair. So again, I'm going to just bring you up close so that you can see really close in detail what I'm doing. Again, keep watching and I'll come back and I'll discuss the next step. And yes, I do spray. I use my Got to Be Glue spray to spray the hair before I install it. Why? Because the Got to Be Glue spray helps set the curls or set the twists or the goddess locks, whatever crochets you are using. For me, it helps sets it and it keeps it in its original form, which is what we want. We want that pattern to stay just the same as it was when it came out the pack. So again, I do use some Got to Be Glue spray, and I just spray it down a little bit. It doesn't take a whole lot. Just hit it with the spray, and that will actually help the braid, the twist, the locks, or whatever keep its pattern while you're doing your install. So again, continue to keep back. Oh my gosh, ladies, so as you can see, this style is coming out absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it is filling in. No one is going to ever know that she has any thin hair. I'm actually doing a lot of crocheting on the net instead of her natural hair. And look at those edges. I am filling this in and it is coming out absolutely beautiful. This silicone cap is the truth, ladies. Tap the link in the description below so that you can get your order in for this silicone cap. It will give you the edges and the fullness that you need in the front. It is durable, it is stretchy, it has holes so your hair can be well ventilated so that it can breathe. And again, look how beautiful this is. Having thin hair can be a real struggle, especially when it comes to styling. It often lacks volume, and it can be really hard to find a style that lasts. So this is the perfect style. So if you want a style that lasts, that has longevity, that's beautiful, that is versatile, as you can see, she can wear it in so many different styles. This is the style for you. Please support my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos as I upload new videos every single day. As you can see, I'm adding some accessories to her hair just to give it a little extra pop. She likes these little clips that I am installing. And again, this style is absolutely gorgeous. It could be worn as a casual style as well as to any elegant event. So if you have some experiences with crochet braids, fashion twists, please leave me some comments in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Again, please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please tap that bell so you can be notified when I upload my new videos, as I upload new videos every single week. Again, stay tuned and check out some of my other videos for more hair tips and styling ideas. And don't forget to leave me some comments in the comment section below. Stay safe, stay blessed. West Coast finest, hair and dance, T's, Braids, and Weaves.